So let's start with the 60th example. Consider the situation shown in the figure of the previous problem. Suppose the wire O and C has zero resistance. Okay, so in the previous problem, what is there? This is the circular loop and its radius is A, and it is kept in the external magnetic field B. O is the center, and this is the rod OA, which is connected here like this, and this is the connection, say OC. Okay, now suppose the wire connecting O and C has zero resistance. The resistance of this portion is zero, resistance of this portion is zero. Okay, this is the rod, and the resistance capital R uniformly distributed along the length. So here let R upon pi 2 pi would be resistance per radian, because the resistance will be divided among this part, okay, in angles, and the rod is being rotated with angular speed omega. Now they said the rod is being rotated with angular speed omega like this. Okay, find the current when the rod AOC is 90 degrees. So at the instant when this is 90 degrees, so the resistance of this arc A, let us say this AMC, is will be R by 4, and resistance of this portion, this is CNA or ANC, would be 3R by 4. Now due to rotation of rod, the EMF will get induced in OA. Okay, and we know that. Okay, we are not I am not considering the direction, whatever the direction is. Suppose this is positive, this is negative, for example. Okay, or you can take the direction if you want by applying right hand term. So right hand Fleming's right hand rule, magnetic field is inside the OA is going in the downward direction, so current will go from O to A. So definitely O end is negative and A is positive. So here this is negative and this is positive, and this is OA. And as you can see, OA, so between OA, these two resistors are connected in parallel. This is R by 4 of 90 degree portion, and this is 3R by 4 of the other portion. And here this is EMF induced, which is given by half BR square omega, where R is radius. Okay, so we know that how much current will flow. So the total current that will flow through the cell will be EMF upon equivalent resistance, as EMF is known to us half B into radius square into omega upon the equivalent resistance. So first of all, I will find the equivalent resistance. So equivalent resistance in parallel combination is given by R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. So it will be R by 4 into 3R by 4 divided by R by 4 plus 3R by 4 will be R. So that comes out to be 3R by 16, and substitute the equivalent resistance in this equation. So therefore I current would be equal to half B A square omega upon 3R by 16. Now this 16 will go up and it will be 2 8s are 16. So the current in the circuit would become, so current in the circuit would be 16 upon 2 into 3R B A square omega. So it will be 2 8s are 16. So it will be 8 by 3 B A square omega, and that is the answer to this question. Thank you.